Hey guys, I'm under the Ford Explorer. There's a leak and I just wanted to show you what it looks like, and then I'm gonna take it to a mechanic and tell you where it came from.
Filled this and it just empties. I don't see any visible leaks here. I just know it's not on the radiator side, which is not good. So I've seen videos where they have to like take this apart to get to the water pump. I felt under these. I'm not feeling any, and hoses are clean as far as I can until it goes under here, and it's leaking around under the alternator, which is way down there. I've heard that you have to remove this tire cover to see the alternator, which they're going to have to do at the shop. But all right, that's my extent of diagnosis. I will tell you what they find. You can see it's wet right there, so I'm looking straight down. I come in from right here, looking straight down. You can see it's wet right there, and it's wet on the alternator, on the belts, which makes me feel like it's the freaking water pump, which looked expensive. So I'll let you know. $3,000. Are you serious? Coolant pump leak. Man, I really love Dr. Pepper. Product placement, Dr. Pepper. Can you please send me $3,000? 23 flavors of goodness. You son of a...
I don't even want to look under the hood, guys. I just don't know how to end this video.
Dr. Pepper, $3,000. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Almost makes it worth it having $3,000 from you, Dr. Pepper, for saving me from this bill. Actually, $3,100. $3,103 or something like that. Let's just call it $3,200. It's like 23 backwards. Alright guys, it's a $3,000 fix if you have a coolant leak on a Ford Explorer. So, this happened at 150,000 miles. They supposedly fixed the problem. The water pump fixed the problem, whatever company that was. So, shouldn't happen again, is what I was told. So, they used the OEM, original equipment manufacturer, but they fixed the leak, so it's not going to cost $3,000. Well, it'll cost $3,000 next time, but it shouldn't happen again. So rest assured, guys, you're in good hands. Thank you for watching. Please click on all the ads on all my videos to help pay for this bill, and I'll see you next time. All right, peace.